Hello everyone, it's Dale here. Welcome to the next video from the recent trades section. Today I'd like to talk about trade on the US dollar Japanese yen, which I took yesterday. I think it was a pretty interesting trade, so let's check it out, alright? So what you see before you, this is the NinjaTrader 8 platform, and this is US dollar Japanese yen, and this is a 30-minute chart. And what you see before you, this is the chart and how it looked like when I was doing the analysis. First, let me tell you what the trade was based on, alright? So let me use the volume profile here and show you how the volumes are distributed in this uptrend zone. What caught my eye here was this volume cluster formed within this uptrend, and this blue line, this level, that was the beginning of that heavy volume zone, right? So this marked a support that I wanted to trade, and this support was based on the fact that buyers were active here, adding to the long positions as they were pushing the price upwards, right? So it was based on this volume cluster, and also on the fact that in the past the price was reacting to this zone so many times, and that means that in the past it worked as a resistance, and when the price blew past that resistance, it turned into a support, right? So this is a combo of two trading setups. One is the volume profile setup, the other one is the price action setup, resistance becoming support setup, and this pointed me to this long level. So what I did, I published that level in the members area for all the members to see that level and for them to be able to trade that with me. Let me show you real quick. This is the members area. This is the post from yesterday, and this is the level. US dollar Japanese yen, 150.10. All right. So that's the level. And the reason I have the chart like this is so you can see how the level looked even before the price actually hit the level and started to react there. My stop loss was below this candle. This was the stop loss line. And the reasoning behind this stop loss was, the reason number one, and the main reason was that it was behind heavy volume zone, right? And also below the low of this huge candle. So that's why I had the stop loss there. And let me now show you what happened. The price went against me quite a lot. As you can see in here, I almost got stopped out. What happened next was that there was massive reaction. Now here's the thing that I want to talk about. When the price was dropping here, I must say I was pretty scared. There were huge volumes here and I thought that I'll probably get stopped out. Then the price suddenly turned and went back to the break even. And then the price stayed there. It stayed around the break even. So it got me thinking, do I quit this trade? Because I already got lucky by, just missing the stop loss and getting the chance to get out at the break even. Because at that time I didn't know that this would happen, right? I just thought that I was lucky I didn't get stopped out and I was lucky to get out at break even. But here is what I did. I noticed that there's a divergence on the cumulative delta on the order flow software. Let me show you, because this is what made me hold on to that trade. So what you see before you, this is my order flow layout. This is order flow futures, so it is reversed, right? So when forex goes up, futures goes down. But other than that, the charts move the same way. They are perfectly correlated, only they move opposite ways. Anyways, here is the chart that made me stay in that trade. Let me go full screen with this one so you can see it better. The top one, this is price chart, 1 minute chart, and the chart at the bottom, that's cumulative delta. Now, this blue line, this is the level. On forex it was long, on futures it was short, but this was the level. right? So in here you can see that the price was going towards that level, shooting past the level, right? So the price was going upwards, shooting past the level. Now, at the same time, check out what the cumulative delta did. It was dropping. At the same time, it was dropping. That told me that even though the price was going upwards, sellers were actually entering their short positions. Sellers were active, right? There was a huge divergence between price and delta. And that made me confident to stay in that trade because price likes to follow delta, as you can see right here. Alright, so it was the cumulative delta that helped me, and because of that I was able to take a full profit out of this trade. So let me switch back to that forex chart and let me show you where my take profit was. So again, this was the volume cluster. The level was based on this was the long level, this was the stop, and the take profit was based on heavy volume zone, on this heavy volume zone right here, and I took the profit here. At that time I didn't know that the price will just shoot upwards like crazy, so I took the profit and I was happy because I almost got stopped out, but it ended up nicely. But only thanks to the cumulative delta that gave me confidence not to give up in here and hold the trade until it reached the take profit. Alright, so that's about that. Later I took a short on the US dollar Japanese yen. I managed to catch the high and bank on this whole self. But more on that on some of the other videos. In this one I just wanted to talk about the long from here. Alright, so that's about that. I hope you liked the analysis, and if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. It is at trader-dale.com, and if you click trading course and tools, then it will take you to this page where you can browse my trading education and custom-made trading tools. There are 3 packs: the volume profile pack, the order flow pack, and the VWAP pack. If you scroll down a bit, then there's a combo pack where you can get all 3 together for a discounted price. And if you guys want to trade alongside me and other prop firm traders in a live trading room every day, then what I recommend is clicking this button which says FTA, stands for Funded Trader Academy, and in here you can book one-on-one call and we will walk you through the academy and you can decide whether or not this is right for you. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video and I'll see you next time. Until then, happy trading.